The attack surface management capabilities within Google Threat Intelligence enable you to discover your organization's external-facing assets. To begin, navigate to the Attack Surface Management tab. From here, you can create collections to scan your infrastructure. For example, you can set up an external discovery and assessment collection. You must provide a seed as a starting point for finding entities. For this example, we will use the domain acme.com. Once your scan is complete, you can filter for vulnerabilities in the Issues tab by querying Category equals Vulnerability and adding a first seen date. This will display identified vulnerabilities on your external assets. Click on any finding to see detailed information about the vulnerability, including how it was discovered and, if applicable, the recommended remediation steps. You can use the API for automated vulnerability checks from ASM, see how to list the issues and extract them, or integrate it with your security tools for notifications. If there is an out-of-the-box integration, you'll have a guide on how to install and configure it.